Hi, I'm Mark and welcome to another lesson with Master Everyday English. In today's lesson, we're having a conversation at the restaurant. Now, this is a conversation you'll need to have if you have a problem at the restaurant and you need to make a complaint. Let's think about some of the things at the restaurant that you might complain about. The silverware, the plates, the bowls, the napkins, the starter or the appetizer, the main meal, the sides, the dessert, the server, the host, the busboy, the manager, the service, the wait time, the attitude of the staff, the price, the bill. Now let's think about the way you can make your complaint in a polite way. Now normally you'll start your sentence like this. Yeah, I'm really sorry, but, for example, yeah, I'm really sorry, but this fork is dirty. I hate to say this, but we've been waiting for 45 minutes for our meal. I don't usually complain, but the food is undercooked. Let's think about some of the typical things you'll need to complain about when you're in a restaurant. The food is too sweet. The food is too salty, or the food is cold. The food is overcooked or undercooked. The plate, the bowl, the silverware, something is dirty. The server is unfriendly or unhelpful. The portions are very small. I've been waiting a long time for my starter. I've been waiting a long time for my main meal. I've been waiting a long time for my drink. The people at the next table are too noisy. Now let's put that polite complaint form and the problem together. For example, yeah, I don't usually complain, but the food is too salty. Yeah, I'm sorry, but my burger is undercooked. Yeah, I hate to say this, but the silverware is dirty. If you're enjoying this video, why not go to my channel, Master Everyday English. There are more videos about life and work in the United States, and there's a really good video about getting a table in the restaurant, and I'll put the link up here for you. Now let's see how much you can remember. It's time for a little quiz. Look at the pictures and then listen to the sentence. See if you can choose the picture that matches the sentence. After a few seconds, I'll show you the answer so you can check to see if you got it correct. Yeah, I'm sorry, but this silverware is dirty. Yeah, I don't usually complain, but the people at the next table are really noisy. Yeah, I'm sorry, but this burger is completely overcooked. Yeah, I hate to say this, but the server here has been really rude. Here are a few things that are useful to know if you have to make a complaint at a restaurant in the United States. In most cases, just saying to the server that you have a problem, being polite, you'll find a solution to that problem. If there's a problem that maybe you have with your server, it's always a good idea to either speak to another server or to the host at the front of the restaurant, if there is a host. Otherwise, you'll need to find the manager. That's it for today. I hope this lesson is useful for you if you find yourself in that situation where you're at a restaurant and you need to make a complaint. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and click to subscribe.